In this video, we will discuss about interest on capital. So how to calculate interest on capital? Let us take some example. Suppose on 1st April 2019, the capital of A and B is rupees 1 lakh and 80,000 respectively. Interest rate is given 12% per annum. Calculate interest as on 31st March 2020 at the end of the year. So how we will calculate interest? It's very simple. The amount of capital is 1 lakh. The rate of interest is 12%. So 12 by 100. The amount of interest on capital will be 12,000. It's very simple to calculate. Now the interest on B's capital. The amount of capital is 80,000 and the rate of interest is 12%. The amount of interest will be 9,600 in that case. Now let us take one more example. Suppose in this question A has introduced rupees 50,000 on 1st July 2019. What will be the effect on this question now? First of all, the interest will be calculated on 1 lakh for the full year. 1 lakh into 12 by 100, 12,000. Same as we have done it already. Now interest on this 50,000. This 50,000 is introduced by the A on 1st July. So interest will be calculated from 1st July to 31st March. 9 months. For 9 months. From 1st July to 31st March 20. The amount of interest will be 4,500. So total amount of interest on capital 12,000 plus 4,500. Total 16,500. So this is the style how to calculate interest on capital. Let us take one more example. Suppose X and Y are two partners. On 1st April 2019, their capital balances are given rupees 2 lakh and 1,50,000. On 30th June, A has withdrawn 50,000 but B has introduced 30,000. Again, on 1st January 2020, A has introduced 40,000 and Y has withdrawn 20,000. The rate of interest is 12%. Find out the amount of interest on capital if the year is ending on 31st March 2020. So let us calculate the interest on capital for X. The opening balance of the capital is on 1st April 2019 2 lakh. First of all, calculate the amount of interest on 2 lakh for the full year. 24,000. Now calculate the amount of interest on 50,000. 30th June 2019 X has withdrawn rupees 50,000 from 30th June to 31st March. 9 months are there. So 9 months interest will be calculated here. 4,500. Because X has withdrawn this amount, that's why this amount will be deducted. Next, on 1st January 2020, X has introduced 40,000 again. So calculate the amount of interest on 40,000 separately. 12%, 12 by 100. From 1st Jan to 31st March, only 3 months are there. So 3 months interest will be calculated on 40,000. 1200. Now add the amount of interest. 24,000 plus 1,000. 25,200 minus this one. 20,700. So this is the amount of interest on capital. Point to remember, interest on capital is always calculated on the opening balance. Suppose in question closing balance is given. So first of all we have to calculate opening balance. Let us understand. Let us take an example. Suppose there are two partners. On 31st March 2020, at the end of the year, the balance of capital is given 1,80,000. Drawings during the year were 20,000, 10,000. Profits were rupees 60,000. Profit sharing ratio is equal. So this is the amount of closing capital now. As on 31st March, we have to calculate interest on capital at opening balance. So how to calculate opening balance? How to calculate opening balance of capital? The formula is closing capital plus drawings minus opening capital minus profits. Minus profits minus additional capital if any. Let us understand how to calculate opening capital. The formula to calculate opening capital is closing capital plus drawings minus profit if any minus additional capital if it is given in the question. In this question, closing balance of capital is 1,80,000. So right here 1,80,000. Drawings are given 20,000, 10,000. Add them. 1 lakh plus 20, 120. 80 plus 10, 90,000. Minus profits. Profits were rupees 60,000 and these are distributed in profit sharing ratio, that is equal. So 30,000 minus 30,000 from B's capital. No any additional capital is given. So the opening capital will be 120 minus 30, 90,000. And 90 minus 30, 60,000. interest on capital will be calculated on the opening balance of capital. So 90,000 into the rate of interest is suppose 10%, the amount of interest will be 9,000, and in this case the amount of interest will be 6,000. Thank you. Have a nice day.